Hello everyone, welcome to the tenorshare channel. Reinstalling WhatsApp to restore a backup can make you lose your current chats. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to restore your WhatsApp backup without uninstalling the app and keep all your important messages safe. First, why does uninstalling WhatsApp put your data at risk? When you reinstall WhatsApp and restore an old backup from Google Drive or iCloud, WhatsApp replaces your existing WhatsApp database with the backup version. To solve this problem, we need a WhatsApp transfer tool that can help manage and transfer our data safely. In this video, I'll use iCareFone Transfer to show you how it works. I'll leave the free download link in the description so you can quickly get started. iCareFone Transfer is designed specifically for WhatsApp data management, and it works with both Android and iPhone. First method only requires one phone. After restoring the old backup, your new messages will stay safely stored on your computer. If you want to keep both old and new chats on your phone, check out method 2. First, connect your phone to your computer and open iCareFone Transfer. Select Backup from Google Drive and Backup now. Sign in with the Google account that contains your WhatsApp backup. Then enter your WhatsApp phone number to verify your account. iCareFone will download your old WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to your computer. Now, go back to the home page. Select from Device and Backup now. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new backup. Wait for the process to complete, then verify your WhatsApp account again. Your new messages will be safely backed up. Now, both your old and new WhatsApp data are safely backed up on your computer. Next, go to the Restore section. Select the old backup you downloaded from Google Drive and click Restore to Android. Verify your account to make sure the backup matches your WhatsApp account. Once completed, your old WhatsApp chats will be restored to your phone, while your new messages remain safely stored on your computer. This method keeps your old and new data separate. If you want to merge them together, check out the second method. Method 2, merge old and new WhatsApp data together. This method allows you to keep both old and new WhatsApp data on the same phone. For this method, you will need 2 devices. Just like the first method, start by downloading your Google Drive WhatsApp backup to your computer. Next, restore this backup to a phone that does not contain your new WhatsApp data. After that, log into WhatsApp on your iPhone. On your computer, click Logged In. Then wait for the restoration process to finish. Now, your Google Drive WhatsApp backup has been restored to the second phone. The next step is to merge this backup with the new data from your main phone. Connect your main phone to your computer. In iCareFone Transfer, select Transfer. Then choose WhatsApp Data Transfer and Merge. Make sure you select the correct destination device. Allow USB connection access on your phone. Allow USB debugging on your phone. Tap Allow on your phone to continue. Next, you need to create a backup of your WhatsApp data on the phone. Wait while iCareFone gets WhatsApp data from the source device. Then verify your WhatsApp account. Once verification is complete, select the data you want to transfer. Once completed, your WhatsApp data will be merged onto your Android phone. You may need to reinstall WhatsApp. During the login process, restore the backup. After completing all the steps, your main phone will contain both parts of your WhatsApp history. Your old WhatsApp chats and your new WhatsApp chats will now be successfully merged together. That's how you can restore your WhatsApp backup without losing your current messages. This method is simple, efficient, and really useful. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.